Hey there, online AP Biology students. Welcome to Thursday, October 7th. I'm your host, Mr. Clock. Welcome to Country or Country Club. As you can tell, I dressed up for country today. This is what I would wear in the country. Do whatever you want. Alright, there is nothing special about today. However, I have a surprise for you all. If you took the test yesterday, then you don't have a test today. You are all done with your first AP test. Congratulations! However, if you need to turn in any missing work or get caught up on your work the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday, that's what you can do, is get caught up on your missing work. Because the other AP Biology students are finishing up their test and going over their test. I'd be happy to go over your tests with you as well once I get them graded. Other than that, have a nice Thursday, everyone. All joking aside, just so you can understand me, you finished your test. I don't have any FRQs for you. I would really recommend that you go into AP Classroom and you take a look at the 2 FRQs that I opened up. I have Unit 1 open up. I'll open up number 2, okay? Take a look at those. Those will just be practice for you to work on, okay? So I guess over the next 2 days, try and make sure that you have those completed, okay? They'll just be very good practice for you for the AP test since I didn't give you any on this test, okay? Other than that, like I said, if you could understand me, is make sure you get your work in. Keep working on it. Shout out to Layla, has been doing a wonderful job contacting me, and if they're confused on anything, they've been reaching out, and we've been working through it together. Today is a really good day to do that because my AP Biology students are taking a test. So if you have any questions during 5th or 6th hour, which I think is 1:15 to, or 1:10 to 2:55, shoot me a Schoology message. I'll have it pulled up. I'll have it pulled up during the test so I can see if any of you have any questions and want to start a WebEx meeting, okay? If you don't need to, that's fine. I haven't even touched your surface tension labs yet, or not surface tension, osmosis and diffusion, the really big one. I haven't even touched those yet because I've been focused on getting the test pulled together, yada. All that good stuff. We'll see. I probably, just because I did so much grading last weekend, I probably won't do it this weekend. I might wait until MEA to get it done, okay? So I will get that rolling, but I have to go start a set time. So I will see you later. Adios, everyone.